Animals fly using airfoils, also known as wings. Animals fly by producing lift off the wing as the animal moves through the air. Wings are used in at least two ways to fly. One is the simple generation of lift. This by itself enables an animal not so much to fly, but to glide. The distinction is important because gliding is basically a controlled fall through the air. Anything that glides eventually lands on the ground. This doesn't mean that gliding animals cannot stay in the air for a long time or even rise vertically in the air. But those involve specialized adaptations of wing design and interactions with the complex flows of air in the atmosphere. To glide well involves a certain type of wing design, but the wing design that allows effective gliding is incompatible with certain other things that flying animals might wish to do, including being able to maneuver. That involves a different type of wing design, which makes for poor gliding ability. Actively flying, and not just gliding, uses wings not just to generate lift, but to generate thrust as well. This is otherwise known as flapping flight. To engage in flapping flight requires complex maneuvering of the wing surface in a way that's not found in gliding. One other interesting point about this: flapping flight has an uncanny resemblance to helicopter flight. You'll see what I mean when you go through the lectures. As you go through the lectures to follow, I would like you to keep three things in mind. I'd like you to keep in mind the distinction between gliding and flapping flight. They are very different things, and they behave according to different rules. Second, I'd like you to be attentive to the basic principles of wing design, including how to build a wing that promotes high lift versus a wing that produces high maneuverability. Finally, I'd like you to be conversant with how a wing can produce both lift and thrust, and the complex maneuvering of the wing that enables it to do both.